Hapo kayang darbar thawan jong ka jala Meghalaya mata ka Sngi nakaliang ka Sorkar Jylla ha ka jinglam umentri rongba ka jala konrat ke sangma ulapan bana ya ka Sngi on tap yau Dr. Ricky Eje Syngkon bam kwai hadwar ublai ha ka arp huai tarik ubenai rempang arjar pendrew ulapan bana ya ka Sngi Shuti ha ka tei ka Sngi kum kadak jong ka jingburom ya ka jingdu no ya unong yalam bakrau jong ka jala Meghalaya.
And from there, his remains were taken to Pokse. And we are yet to hear a formal announcement, but we have been informed that the funeral will most likely be held tomorrow. So, based on the information that has been given to us through, or rather information that's been passed on to us, that the funeral will be held tomorrow. As a government, we have decided that in order to pay respects to the departed soul and to his family members, and also to ensure that we are able to allow people to participate and to be there during the funeral, the government has decided that tomorrow, which was supposed to be a working day as part of the compensatory holidays, tomorrow being working day, the government has decided that we will declare holiday in the eastern range, or rather in the MP parliamentary constituency, in all the districts which fall under the Shillong MP parliamentary constituency seat. As I said, in order to pay respect to the departed soul, as well as to allow people to be part of the funeral that is most likely to be held tomorrow.